Finding templates on CapCut is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is sign into your CapCut account, and if you do not have a CapCut account, you can just create a free account and you can sign in from there. Now once you find your once you're able to sign into your account, what I'd like you to do is look at the bottom of the page. You can see where it says templates. Now there are different kinds of templates here, and what we're going to do is let's click on this template, for example. Now you have the choice to choose templates from here also, so you can see how the effects of the templates actually occur. But let's use this template. Now to use this template, you need to choose a video that you want to use for the template, and for this template you can only use one video. And once you click on next, you see it says applying smooth slow motion, and just like that we've been able to use this particular template. And once I play it again, you realize it's the same template as the one that we chose. Now it's very important that you choose a template that matches the kind of video or picture that you want to attach. This template matches that video very well, and you can see there are other templates that you can choose from. Now that's how to find templates on CapCut. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And on that note, I will see you in the next one.